So this is the solution for Leetcode question valid anagram. So this is the previous submission. I just got the question itself. So let's see what's a valid anagram. So just as the example states, if I take a string anagram, okay, and another string is nagaram. So if I do the minimum number of changes without adding any external characters, like suppose it has A B C D E, and if I can make some combinations of it so that it remains this like only it should only use all the letters once, cannot use characters from outside that particular subset, and it should also be a phrase, not like say if I say ABCD isn't a phrase or anything, right? It doesn't convey anything, doesn't have a meaning. So it should have a meaningful outcome also. So for that I will be again using hash map because that's the go-to method for me and it's pretty fast compared to other methods. And as usual I will be using Java for it. So it's my class solution as usual. And then we can create a boolean class as the output. This was already given, so I can change the class name, and then we have parameters as string s. Then the next parameter is string t. So two strings we have been given as an input, and then so logic might be like, what if the first word is ABCDE and the second word is something like ABC, so the length doesn't match at first. So the first criteria we can check is if the length is matching or not. We check is the length function not equals to dot length. So there's a string opposite of it. Yeah, I guess it's correct on. Get one here. Okay, so t dot length closes here and then yeah. It's alright. Oh. Let's say suppose it's very small changes here. So if that's the case, so what we can do is we can just return false straight away because it's anyhow is false. In the second case, we can create a hash map of the character, that's map character and then integer, and then just set a count which to new hash map. Sorry, map the number brackets is it close. Okay, then what we can do is just we can traverse throughout the string and take a particular character, and like if we have to add a character, we have to increase its ASCII value and check if it is satisfying our original anagram code. So for type is to 0, I doesn't should be s dot length, and then I should be incremented. So what the result is count as that can add as it caret I plus as it caret I, yeah. Then should also go to the next character and this, yeah. Yep, so the count is satisfied. This will stop here. Yeah. Now what it will do is go to next count, count dot get or get for. So this is a predefined method. In Java, if you are well versed with the predefined methods, you can solve things as the first try, which should be also taking in 0, and then I should be, I guess, incrementing by 1. Yes. That's all. And then what we can do is count again. So now what we'll do is, instead of a t, the second string, or t dot caret I. Caret I is a predefined function that is given by Java to extract the character at a particular point. Just in case if you are not used to Java functions, should be a import t dot caret and 0, and we stop it now. This should be declaring so since we are done with the shifting operation, now what we can do is the for loop gets closed, and what now we have to do is for value this is another function count values. If it's not equals to 0, then it should return us a opposite, like it should return us false. So that means if value not equals to 0, then it should return us false. Yeah, that's all. And now so this function should return true because the previous one already returned false ones. Yes. Yeah, and this stops here. What was it? Let me check. Because I missed a bracket somewhere. Very good stop. Yeah, so what I did is just change some spacings. I guess I was getting started in spacings, and yeah, I was missing this to import functions. Of course, it's not needed. You can, even if I just remove them, I'll still get it. Yep, so anyways, it's correct. Yeah, so logic was anyhow correct. What we do is we traverse to the first string and check, take the hash map, create a hash map of all the characters in it, and just do the second string again. And so, well, the main part is traversing. While we go first on the one axis in one string, we should go to the opposite direction in another. That's why I use plus and minus as a count value. So that's it. Thank you.